I am Kiranpreet Kaur from Makar Isles, and this is another cue card in the list of September 2020 to December 2020 guesswork of Makar Isles cue cards. Describe a family which you like and are happy to know. You should say who they are, where they live, how you know them, and explain why you like them. I know many families that live in our neighborhood, but there is one family that I really enjoy spending time with. They are our next door neighbors, Sharmas. There are four members in the family: Mr. Sharma, his wife, and their two children, Navneet and Priya. I think they shifted to Fagwara and our neighborhood about 5 years ago. Before that, they lived in Jalandhar. Mr. Sharma works in a bank and he was transferred to Fagwara branch 5 years ago. That's how they came to live in Fagwara and our neighborhood. I remember immediately after moving to our neighborhood, they invited everyone for a dinner. Their son is the same age as me, and he and I have been very close friends. There are many things I like about them, but the first is that they don't do any formalities. I don't get the feeling that I'm at somebody else's house when I'm at their home. For example, they offer me things to eat when I go there, but they don't force it. They just tell me not to hesitate if I want to eat something. It's another matter that Mrs. Sharma is a very good cook, and I actually look forward to tasting all the delicacies she makes. I also like the relationship between Mr. and Mrs. Sharma and the children. They are strict but friendly, and they encourage their children to share whatever problems they are facing. I have never seen Mr. and Mrs. Sharma raise their voice. I have noticed that my friend Navneet shares nearly every detail of his life with his parents. If he does something bad, they don't scold, but tell him why it was wrong. I think very few people have this special dynamic relation with their parents. In all, I get very positive vibes from all the members of the family. I feel very comfortable at their home, and that's why I like them a lot. So this is just one idea. You can speak about your uncle and aunt's family, your any of your friends' family, whichever family you like. You just have to make ideas like this and speak. You don't need to mug it up. Especially, I'm just giving you ideas from the topic that is seeing being seen recently. So you can just speak anything. Follow up questions. Who is usually the leader in an Indian family? India is a patriarchal society, and in most families, the eldest male member is the leader. If it's a joint family, it's generally the grandfather, and in a nuclear family, it's the father. How do grandparents take care of their children? I think today, grandparents fill the void left behind by working parents. Both the parents work today and, as such, are not able to devote enough time to the children. So the grandparents raise children just like parents. They also teach them about moral values. In some ways, they are also responsible for spoiling children as they give in to their demands much more easily than parents do. What's the most important quality of a good parent? I think the best quality in a good parent is flexibility. Flexible parents tend to be open minded and easygoing. They resolve disagreements smoothly. Kids are naturally defiant, and thus, inflexible parents increase defiance and rebelliousness in their kids, and this always escalates conflicts. How can new parents learn about parenting? I think there are many ways to learn about good parenting. They can read books on parenting. They can join parenting classes. They can watch videos on YouTube about parenting. And last but not least, they can take guidance from their own parents. So these are the follow-up questions. And the essays on parenting become important. They come in the guesswork. Here, I think kids' words has been used twice. I think children, we should use kids is a colloquial term, spoken English, and children is a better word to use here. Uh, kids is a word to be avoided. Okay, so thank you very much for watching patiently. Do the parenting essays, do the essays in which nuclear family grandparents look after their children. Such essays are also there in my book, and these essays become important. Thank you very much.